Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Snap score is not showing. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the very first thing I'll do is I'll open up Snapchat here and tap the profile icon at the very top left, and you can see my Snap score is currently showing, but if yours is not showing, it disappeared for some reason, there are a couple different methods that we can definitely get that showing and working again. Now, the very first thing that we'll do is we'll tap that gear icon at the very top right, and then we'll scroll down towards the bottom here and you can see clear cache. So I'm going to tap clear cache and clear that. So it'll say it needs to restart the Snapchat app and it'll remove it. That usually does a good job helping to refresh things, and you can go back into Snapchat and see if that works. If it doesn't work, the next step is to go into our settings here, and then we'll scroll down until we get to general and tap on general, and then we will tap on iPhone storage midway down. Now we're going to look for Snapchat on this list. Here it is, and we're going to offload and reinstall this Snapchat app. And what this does is it helps to refresh if there are any kind of bugs in the Snapchat app itself. It clears out all of those bugs and helps to refresh everything. It doesn't delete your DMs, your stories, your login, any of that stuff, but it refreshes those core app files that might have caused a bug, and it updates to the latest version of Snapchat. So once that's done loading, we can go in there and check the Snap score again, and it should be showing up and working. And then if that is not working, I'll walk you through the very last step that you can do. I'll open up Snapchat here and tap my profile icon, and you can see it is right there. However, if it's still not showing up, what we'll do is we'll tap on the gear icon at the top right here, and then we can scroll down, keep scrolling, and then you'll see support, I need help. We'll tap on that, and then we'll tap contact us, and you can see on here we can do I need help, or I found a bug in the app, something like that. And on here you can see need help with something else. I can say yes, and then say like profiles, and then my profile. You can basically just choose all of these options, and then it gives you the ability to enter in your username, email, your phone number, your device, when did you start having that issue, and I would include a screenshot of that Snap score to show them that for some reason your Snap score is not showing up. Can they help to restore that Snap score? And you'll just want to write them a short message here. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.